hindi tayo nakapag-rent ng car before and you're not familiar with the place. So, layo mo kasi is Agapita 1. I rate this 9 out of 10. Is 10 out of 10. And this matcha is 10 out of 10. Real matcha. Pear lasagna. May pear lasagna. 10 out of 10. Cheesy. Cheesy dyan. It's 10 out of 10. Hindi siya overcooked yun. Sakto lang yung... Binakain kasi akong lasagna before na overcooked yun. Tuloy yung nag-register sa utak ko. Papakinggan natin kung paano makipag-communicate ang mga bamboo. Okay. Pakinggan mo maigi. Naririnig niyo ba yun? Sabi nila, umalis na kayo dito. Tama na! Hello! Andito kami sa Sabutan. Sabutan ba ito? Yun. Sabutan Barangay. Hindi ko alam. Basta galing kami sa Cafe Agapita. And ngayon, punta kami sa ospital. Ay, hindi pala ito ospital. Chapel pala ito.
I used to keep my promises. I play it all close to the vest. You never see me cry. I used to be so self-assured. I crack a joke, I save a word. I used to be so tall.
We are currently reading the picture of Dorian Gray. This is the garden and this is our room. Reading from her phone. Sabi niya, the power of e-books. The basher ng physical books.
After all the late nights and the quiet drives, the posters on your wall keep everything secret. You can trust that I won't forget it all, because I was your hero and you miss me. You can use all that I said to you against me. I'll be a strong throw. Keep my spirits high. I never need a reason why you never came to call. But now I'm parked around the glass, praying that this too shall pass. I weather it alone. See me in the limelights, in the bar fights, and the mirrors on your wall. And we could get better, you should know that. You can't forget it all, because I'll be your old home, your villa. You can't explain it all away to our friends, and I'll be a stone's throw. Because I'll be your hero. If you miss me, I'll forgive all the things you held against me. I'll be a stone's throw.
I think it's still overlooking. Oh, diba? It's a nice spot. Lamig sa Amerika. Puntong ka din doon. It's not colorful from this angle.
Such cultured people. Tagaytayans are very cultured. Tagaytayans are the best.
Ano? Hello! So today I failed Celine.
I failed.
Kasi napaaga yung baba namin. So ang layo ng nilalakad namin papuntang Sky Ranch. Hihi. Malayo na. Pero malayo pa. Wala pa kami natatanaw na Ferris wheel. Sorry. Sorry po. Sky Ranch! Yay! Sa wakas! Kiat ka! Kiat! Hi! Lin-chan! Lin-chan? Lin-chan! Hello, Lin-chan! Ano yan? High school?
High school game.
Oo. Pero game yan. Wala naman eh. Yan na sila. Oh no.
Ayan o. Pag nasa kanan ka, hindi mo masyado mabibigyan.
Talaga?
Sila sa inner.
Napasabak na naman tayo sa mga bagay na hindi naman natin gusto. Sakay tayo dun. Dito ba? Dito ba? Ay, nako. Para akong inaantok sa kaba. Guys, I'm alive. At bilang bayad sa akin ni Celine, libre niya ako ng takoyaki. Taran! Ayan na ang aking takoyaki. Ano yun? Special delivery. Takoyaki. Bakit? Bakit? Tada! Yum, yum! Hindi masyadong kita, but this is the other airplane and this is the other airplane. Ah, hindi kita sa phone! Drop, 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 drop! Go, 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 go! Aircon na. What? Pero kailangan ko pa rin gumawa. Hello! 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 Ah, that's so pretty! Bubbles!
Bubbles and die. With ipot.
Ipot-ipotan. Saan? Isdaan? Bili mo na tayo ice cream habang... Cookie, oh! Kayo pa? Tanya ako. Hingi. Good. Good, good.
Ay, pahinana.
Hindi ako matagal yan.
Oh, shit. That's what she said.
Nakita pa natin si Celine. Okay, we're back. Takot kami. Grabe. Ang adventure na ito. Nanginig yung ano kayo. Yung pa ako kanina na naglalakad tayo. Sunod. We're heading out again to eat. Kasi ayaw ng isa dito maarte yung bulalo na take out. Hindi na lang namin tinake out. Arty. Dito ba tayo? Or may iba pa bang kainan? Sa condo eh. We are back home, back home, back home.